Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pay your Amazon sellers taxes. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this guide on bench.com, and I'll be using this since I'm not an Amazon seller and I'm not located in the United States, so I pretty much don't know how to pay taxes in the US. So I'll be explaining through this guide. Hope you guys do understand. There is a lot of information in this article, which is useful depending on what type of sales you have, how much revenue you have, etc., etc. I'll just be going over the very basic methods of paying your taxes. However, there is other methods which I do implore you guys check out on this guide. And pretty much as I mentioned, there is information, especially about the sales tax nexus for FBA sellers, which is a completely different thing, which I do recommend you check out here on this site. But pretty much to pay your taxes and file sales tax, what you need to do is you need to go into your seller account, then go into reports and navigate to the tax document library, then scroll down to the sales tax reports section, and you can create a tax report for any time period by clicking generate tax report. You need to choose 3 report options such as sales tax calculation report for remitting sales tax, marketplace tax collection report for the taxes that Amazon remit on your behalf, and or combined sales tax report for both the sales tax and you and Amazon are responsible for remitting. Then your report will be listed as in progress, and simply refresh the page after a minute so you'll be able to download the tax report. And then you just need to download the tax report and get which will be an Excel file with all the information about each individual transaction, and then you'll be able to fill out the 1099K tax form from Amazon, and this will be sent to you if you have at least $600 in sales per year, which you still need to fill out. Even if you don't get it, you still need to disclose your taxes. And I'm not exactly sure how that is done. As I mentioned, I'm not from the US, so I don't know how the US tax system works. But if you are familiar with it, you just need to get the information, fill out your taxes, and file them with the IRS, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.